students. So here I am your Orko sir. So I have come with a fresh and new episode on mathematics, okay, trigonometry. So I already uploaded some videos on that. So if you missed, then you can watch it and subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends and write in comments. So what type of videos if you want to see, and if any confusion is there, okay, so you can write it in my comments. I will obviously get back to you. So today, as we have started the chapter in my previous episode, trigonometric identities, so some numeric problems, okay, some sums we have already done. So moving to next, we will do more sums. Clear? Today in my this current episode. So hope you will understand this, and this all sums will be very much helpful for your board examination. So I would like to tell you that don't ignore any sum. See the video from first to last, don't skip, because if you skip you will not able to understand it properly. Clear? So only the basic tricks of mathematics I told earlier also, that practice, practice and practice. Whatever you are practicing from your book, practice these sums also. It will be 100% beneficial for your examination. Clear? Now let us start without further delay. So here it is proof. We have to do proof, means the answer is given. We have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. This we will have to assume as left hand side. This we have to assume as right hand side. We have to prove some value in left hand side which will be equal to the value of the right hand side. Clear? So now let us start. So what is LHS? So hope you can see the board. Okay, it is what? Sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta. So sec theta means what we can write? 1 by cos is the reciprocal of cos, and tan theta means what we know? Sin theta by cos theta. Clear? Then what we can write again? 1 by cos theta minus what we can write again? Sin theta by cos theta. Clear? So here what will be the LCM? Cos theta will be the LCM. Then that means what? 1 plus sin theta. And in the denominator also cos theta will be the LCM. Then what? 1 minus sin theta. Clear? This will be cancelled. So what is there? 1 plus sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta. Clear? So this is what? As left hand side. So now let us write right hand side. What is right hand side? See, we have find out the values in form of a sine. Here sine and cos both are there. Okay. So 1 plus sin theta whole square by what we can write? Cos theta whole square means what? Cos square theta. So 1 plus sin theta whole square divided by what? See, here 1 plus sin theta is there, that's why we will not change here. So what you can write? 1 minus cos square means what? 1 minus sin square theta. Clear? So it is what? A square minus b square. 1 square means 1 only. Clear? So what you can write? 1 plus sin theta whole square whole divided by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square formula. So this and this will be cancelled. So as a whole, what you can write? 1 plus sin theta divided by what? 1 minus sin theta. So you see, in the left hand side here we have proved 1 minus sin theta plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Here also we are writing 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So therefore what you can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is proved. Clear? So very simple sum. So hope you have understood this. Let us explain it once again. So what is given? Sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta. So now left hand side, sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta. So sec theta means what? 1 by cos, and tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Clear? So both the numerator and denominator we have done the same thing here. Now the LCM. So what is coming? 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta as a value of left hand side. Clear? Now right hand side, 1 plus sin theta by whole square by cos theta whole square means cos square theta. So cos square theta means what? 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 square means 1. So that means 1 square minus sin square theta, that means a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So this and this will be cancelled. So 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So that means what? Both the values are same, left hand side and right hand side. So we can write, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. So students, hope you have understood this. You can pause the video and copy the sum. Clear? And later on also you have to practice it. Okay? Without watching. Clear? So in that way Okay, these things should be very much clear to you if you practice it more times. Clear? So now let us do the sum number, move to the sum number 2. So students, now this is sum number 2. So what is there? There also we have to prove that the value of this part will be equal to 1. Clear? We don't have to prove anything as right hand side because the constant value is given 1. Clear? So this value should be 1. Sec square theta minus what? Sin square theta minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta divided by 2 sin to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta. So this we have to prove 1. Clear? So now here let us write left hand side, which you have to prove how much? 1. It is what? Sec square theta. Clear? So I am writing sec square theta. Okay, I am writing it. Sec square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta whole divided by 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta. So what we know? Sec square means what? 1 plus tan square theta. Why? Because what we know? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore what? Sec square theta is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta. So instead of this, instead of sec square theta, what we are writing? 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Minus what is there? Sin square theta minus 2 sin to the power 4 theta. So what we can take common? Sin square theta we can take common. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by what we can take common here? 2 cos to the power 4 theta minus cos square theta. So we can take common cos square theta. Okay, into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So it is coming. Okay, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. From here, from the numerator we are taking common sin square theta. So it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and from denominator we are taking common cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So now from this, as it is we are writing 1 plus tan square theta. Clear? Minus, okay, sin square theta into what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta into 2 means 2 cos square theta means what? 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Clear? So here instead of cos we are converting it to sin. So instead of cos what we are writing? 1 minus sin square theta. So same thing, now sin square by cos square means tan square. 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta into what is that? 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by, here it is what? 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Clear? So 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this and this will be cancelled. Clear? So what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta. This and this will be cancelled, is equal to 1. Is equal to what? Right hand side. Proved. Clear? So students, hope this sum you have understood. I am explaining it once again. So left hand side what is given? Sec square theta minus sin square theta minus 2 sin to the 4 theta divided by whole divided by cos 2 cos to the 4 theta minus cos square theta. So sec square theta what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta, and we are taking from this we are taking sin square theta common. That means 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and from this what we are taking? Cos square theta common. Then 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So 1 plus tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, and whatever it is in the numerator we are writing that, and cos square theta into, instead of this cos square theta, 2 cos square theta, what we can write? Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. So 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Now this as it is I am writing. Now sin square theta by cos square theta means what? Tan square theta. Clear? Into what is there in the numerator we are writing the same thing, and here what? 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Clear? So whatever is there I am writing here 1 plus tan square theta minus what? Tan square theta into 1 minus 2 sine square theta divided by what? 2 minus 1 means what? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So both numerator and denominator are same. So we can cancel it. That means what? 1 plus tan square theta minus tan square theta into what? 1. That means only tan square theta. So tan square theta will be cancelled. So the answer will be 1, which is right hand side, which we have to prove. So you can pause the video also and you can see that and you can copy it. Clear? So later on you can practice it at home. So hope you have understood this. Okay. So now let us move to the next sum number 3. So students, here sum number 3 for today's episode. Clear? What we have to prove? Here again we have to prove the left hand side, this value is equal to 1. That means whatever after calculation, clear, this value is constant, that means 1 should come. That means left hand side you have to prove is equal to 1. Okay. So which will be equal to right hand side. So here it is sin A divided by sec A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A divided by cosec A plus cot A minus 1. Clear? So now let us start. So sin A left hand side. Okay. So sin A divided by what? Sec A means 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A plus what? Tan A means what? Sin A by cos A minus 1. Clear? Plus cos A divided by cosec means what? 1 by sin A plus cot A means what? Cos A by sin A minus 1. Okay. Now here it is what? Sin A and cos A will be the LCM. So it will be 1 plus sin A minus cos A plus here cos A whole divided by sin A will be the LCM. So 1 plus cos A minus sin A. Clear? So what we can write? It will be up going here as numerator. So sin A into cos A whole divided by 1 plus sin A minus cos A plus here cos A into this will be go up sin A divided by 1 plus cos A minus sin A. So what we can write? Again sin A into cos A divided by 1 minus what we can write? Cos A minus sin A. Clear? We are taking minus common, so 1 minus cos A, here it is plus, that's why it will be minus, plus sin A into cos A divided by 1 plus what? Cos A minus sin A. Clear? Now what? This into this will be the LCM. So the LCM will be what? The LCM will be 1 minus cos A minus sin A into 1 plus cos A minus sin A. Clear? This will be the LCM. Okay. And in the up 1 minus cos A plus sin A into 1 plus cos A, so sin A, and in the up what is there? Sin A cos A, sin A into cos A common, then it will be what? 1 plus cos A minus sin A plus 1 minus cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A. Clear? So plus cos A minus cos A plus sin A minus sin A, so it will be what? It will be 2 sin A into cos A whole divided by A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus cos A minus sin A whole square. So 2 sin A into cos A divided by 1 minus, it will be what? A square plus b square minus 2a into b. Clear? So 2 sin A into cos A divided by 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta means what? 1. Okay, plus it is minus, so we are omitting the bracket, so it will be plus 2 sin A cos A. So what? This will be cancelled, so that means what? 2 sin A into cos A whole divided by 2 sin A into cos A. This will be cancelled. Clear? This will be cancelled. So that means what? 1 is equal to what? Right hand side. Proved. Clear? So students, a little bit bigger than the previous sums. Okay. So now what we have to prove? Sin A divided by sec A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A divided by cosec A plus cot A minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So now what is that? Sec A means 1 by cos and tan A means sin by cos. So we are writing this, and cosec means 1 by sin and cot means cos by sin minus 1. Clear? So now sin A from this part cos A is the LCM. So it will be what? 1 plus sin A minus cos A, and from this part sin A will be the LCM. So what will be that? 1 plus cos A minus sin A. Now here cos A will be go here as numerator. So sin A into cos A divided by 1 plus sin A minus cos A. Here sin A will go as a numerator. So cos A into sin A divided by this. Clear? So now we are taking minus common. So 1 minus what? Cos A, and sin will be plus here. So sin will be here minus inside the bracket. And here it is 1 plus as it is. 1 plus cos A minus sin A. Okay. So what we are taking common? Sin A into cos A. Clear? Next we are taking this into this as LCM. Okay. So what is coming here? 1 plus cos A minus sin A plus 1 minus cos A plus sin A. Clear? We are changing the sign over here. Okay. And here it is what? A minus B into A plus B. That means what? In the up. Okay. 1 1 2. So 2 into sin A cos A. And here A square minus B square. So A means 1 minus B means cos A minus sin A. So cos A minus sin A whole square. So 2 sin A cos A is there as numerator, and 1 minus what? A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB. So here cos square A plus sin square A. So cos square A plus sin square A means what? 1. So 1 minus 1 plus. Okay, why plus? Because we are omitting the brackets now. Here it is minus. So 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin A cos A. 1 will be cancelled. Clear? So in the numerator it is 2 sin A cos A, and in the denominator it is also 2 sin A cos A. So these all will be cancelled. So the answer will be 1, which we have to prove, or which will be equal to the right hand side. So students, hope you have understood this. So you can pause the video and copy the sum, and also you have to practice it as much as possible. Clear? As many times as possible. Okay. So now without further delay, let us move to the sum number 4. Okay students, now let us move to sum number 4. So here also you have to prove this is equal to this. That means this will be equal to something left hand side, and right hand side will be equal to something which will be equal. Clear? In both the cases. And after that we can write this value is equal to this value. Clear? Now see here left hand side, what is there? Tan A plus sin A divided by tan A minus sin A. What is tan A? Sin A by cos A plus sin A divided by sin A by cos A minus sin A. So from here what will be the LCM? Cos A. So it will be sin A plus sin A cos A, and here also cos A. So it will be sin A minus sin A into cos A. This will be cancelled. So it will be what? Sin A common. So 1 plus cos A divided by sin A common, it will be what? 1 minus cos A. Clear? This will be cancelled. So what is ultimately coming? 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. Now let us write right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side is what? Sec A plus 1 divided by sec A minus 1. What is sec? 1 by cos A plus 1 divided by 1 by cos A minus 1. So cos A will be the LCM. So 1 plus cos A divided by cos A will be the LCM, 1 minus cos A. This will be cancelled. Then 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So see, both values are same. So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? Okay. So hope you have understood this. Very easy sum. So tan A plus sin A divided by tan A minus sin A, okay, is equal to sec A plus 1 divided by sec A minus 1. We have to prove this. So here tan A means what? Sin A by cos A, okay, plus sin A means as it is, okay. Then tan A means what? Sin by cos minus sin A as it is. Now from here cos A will be the LCM. So sin A plus sin A cos A divided by cos A. From here cos A will be the LCM. So sin A minus sin A into cos A. So cos A will be cancelled. So from here again we are taking sin A common. So that means sin A into 1 plus cos A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos A. Sin A will be cancelled. So what is coming? 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Right hand side sec A plus 1 by sec A minus 1. Sec A means 1 by cos A plus 1 and sec A means 1 by cos A minus 1. Clear? So cos A will be the LCM. Here also cos A will be the LCM. In the numerator it will be 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So both the values of left hand side and right hand side will be same. So that means what? We can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. So students, hope you have understood this. Clear? And you can copy the sum. Now let us move to the next sum. So students, now here moving forward to sum number 6. Almost same type of sum. Clear? Sum number 5, if you can see, here it was tan, here it is cot. Cot A minus cos A, it was tan A minus sin A in the previous sum. So now it is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A is equal to this. It was in the previous sum sec A minus 1 by sec A plus 1. Here it is cosec A minus 1 by cosec A plus 1. Now, so same approach, same thing we have to do. Left hand side, cot A means what? Cot A means cos A by sin A, okay, minus cos A whole divided by cos A by sin A plus cos A. Clear? Now here what we can write? Sin A will be the LCM. Sin A will be the LCM. So cos A minus cos A into sin A whole divided by what? Sin A will be the LCM. So cos A plus cos A into sin A. So this will be cancelled. So what you can write? Cos A will be the common. So cos A common means what? 1 minus sin A divided by, here again cos A will be common. So it will be 1 plus sin A. Clear? So this will be cancelled. So what you can write? 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So this is our left hand side. Now what is right hand side? Cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. So cosec means what? 1 by sin A minus 1 divided by 1 by sin A plus 1. So what is the LCM? Sin A. That means what? 1 minus sin A, and here also sin A. So it is what? 1 plus sin A. Clear? So this will be cancelled. So what is that? 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So you see, these both the values are same in left hand side and right. So what you can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? So See, almost similar to the previous sum. It was tan A minus sin A by tan A plus sin A. Okay, but here it is cot A minus cos A. So cot A means what we can write? Cos by sin minus cos A divided by cos by sin plus cos A. So LCM. So cos A common from here. So it is coming 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. And in the right hand side it is what? Cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. So cosec means 1 by sin minus 1 by 1 by sin plus 1. So sin A will be the LCM. So 1 minus sin A, sin will be the same, 1 plus sin A. So this will be cancelled. So 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So this value and this value are same. That's why you can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so students, hope you have understood this sum. Now let us move to the sum number 7. Students, now moving forward to sum number 7. What we have to prove? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to this sec theta minus tan theta whole square. So see, here we cannot write sin by cos or something. It is 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. But here we can write sec theta as 1 by cos and tan theta means sin by cos. Clear? So it's better to move from right hand side. Clear? So we can prove also right hand side, which is equal to the left hand side. Now see, so let us write right hand side here. Okay, it will be there. So sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta minus what? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta whole square. So what we can write? Cos theta will be the LCM. So cos theta will be the LCM means what? 1 minus sin theta whole square. So what we can write? 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta. Clear? Now what we can write? 1 minus sin theta. See, 1 minus sin theta already comes, okay, in the numerator. 1 minus sin theta is there, okay, as numerator. Clear? So we will not change it. And cos theta means what we can write? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 square means 1, so a square minus b square formula. So 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So this and this will be cancelled. Okay. So what is that? 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to left hand side. Proved. Okay. So this is the sum. Okay. So here we are moving from right hand side. Clear? So right hand side means sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta, and tan theta means what? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta whole square. Okay. So here cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 minus sin theta whole square. So here we are splitting 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. So as we have to prove 1 minus sin theta, it is there. So here we are not changing anything. So 1 minus sin theta whole square, and cos square theta means what you can write? 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So it is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So this and this will be cancelled. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, which is equal to the left hand side. Clear? So you can pause the video, you can copy the sum, it is very easy. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 8. So now students, here we are moving forward to sum number 8 of today's episode. So it is what? Sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta is equal to this. We have to prove 1 minus 2 times cos theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. Clear? Now here let us start left hand side. Okay. So this type of sum, sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta. So let us multiply with sec theta minus tan theta in both of sides. Here is plus, so we have to multiply it with sec theta minus tan theta whole divided by sec theta minus tan theta. Clear? So that means what? This if you cancel, then this is same. Okay, we can write like this. So now what? Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta as a numerator. So it will be what? Sec theta minus tan theta whole square divided by what? Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta means a plus b into a minus b. That means what? A square minus b square. Okay. So sec square theta minus tan square theta means what? 1. Okay. So it is what? Sec theta minus tan theta whole square divided by 1. Clear? So now we will find out the formula a minus b whole square. So sec square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta into tan theta divided by 1. So we will not write 1 again. Okay. So now what we have to prove? See, minus 2 sec theta tan theta already has come. So now no sec square theta is there. So what do we know? Sec square theta, what we know formula? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta. So here we can write, okay, what is that? 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 minus plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Here it will be plus. Okay. So it will be what? 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 sec theta into tan theta, which is equal to what? RHS. Proved. Clear? So this is the sum. So students, hope you have understood this. Now let us explain it once again. So sec theta means what? Sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta. So we are multiplying it both numerator and denominator by the same thing, sec theta minus tan theta. So it will be sec theta minus tan theta whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. That means sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta means 1. Clear? This is the formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta. So it will be what? Sec theta minus tan theta whole square. So the formula will be what? A square plus b square minus 2ab a minus b whole square formula. Okay. So now sec square theta is equal to what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is there minus 2 sec theta tan theta. Clear? So 1 plus 2 tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta, which is equal to right hand side. It is given over here. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Only the tricks is here. Only the tricks is here. Clear? If you can remember this line, then you can easily do this sum. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 9. So now moving forward to sum number 9, it is 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta is equal to sec theta. Okay. So here let us now start left hand side. Left hand side is equal to what? 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta. See, here we have to prove sec theta, right? So 1 plus what is tan square theta? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta minus 1. So here instead of tan square theta, what we can write? Sec square theta minus 1 by 1 plus sec theta. So here a square minus 1 square we can write. So a square minus b square. So 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus sec theta. So this and this will be cancelled. So 1 plus sec theta minus 1, this and this will be cancelled, is equal to sec theta is equal to right hand side. It is proved. Clear? So see, the thing is that here what is given? Tan square theta. So tan square theta is equal to what? Because we have to prove sec theta. So tan and sec is related like this. Okay, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So how we can write? 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta. So 1 plus sec square theta minus 1 by 1 plus sec theta. So it is a square minus b square. So 1 plus a plus b into a minus b by 1 plus sec theta. This will be cancelled. So 1 plus it is what? Sec theta minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So only sec theta is equal to right hand side. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 10. So now moving to the next sum, it is cos cube theta plus sin cube theta by cos theta plus sin theta. So see, here it is same, here it is same, it is cube only. Clear? Here the same thing, but it is minus, okay, and it is cube. So now to do this sum, what is the formula we know? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and another formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a factorization formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So from here what we can write? a cube plus b cube by a plus b is equal to what we can write? What we can write? A square minus ab plus b square. Clear? And here what we can write? A cube minus b cube by a minus b is equal to a square plus ab plus b square. How? Because it is what? A cube plus b cube. What is the factorization formula? A plus b into a square minus a plus b square. So here this is we are taking here. So a cube plus b cube by a plus b. Okay. And what is left? This is left only. Okay. A square minus a plus b square. Similarly here we are taking here. Okay. So it is divide. So a cube minus b cube by a minus b is equal to what? A square plus ab plus b square. So see similar thing. Okay. So here it is what is given. Left hand side what is given? A cube plus b cube by a plus b. A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube by a plus b. Then what we can write? A square minus ab plus b square. So what is a? Cos. So a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Plus here what? A cube minus b cube by a minus b. A cube minus b cube by a minus b. What we can write? A square plus ab plus b square. So what is a square? Cos square theta plus ab means sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta. Clear? So what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Means what? 1 minus sin theta into cos theta plus here also sin square theta plus cos square theta means what? 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So this will be cancelled, plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So 1 plus 1 means what? 2 is equal to RHS. Proved. Clear? So students, here this formula you have to apply. Otherwise these sums will be difficult for you to solve. But if you can apply this, it is very easy to solve. Okay, you can see that. Now what is given? A cube plus b cube by a plus b. Here a means cos theta and b means sin theta. Clear? That is why cos cube theta plus sin cube theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Here what? A cube minus b cube by a minus b. So cos cube theta minus sin cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. A is cos theta and b is sin theta. Clear? So what we know? A cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus a plus b square. So a cube by b cube by a plus b divided by is equal to what? A square minus a plus b square. What is now the formula? Factorization formula, a cube minus b cube. Oh, clear? So a minus b into a square plus a plus b square. So a cube by b cube by a minus b is equal to this. Clear? So in this form we can write like this. In this form we can write like this. So here we are writing in this format. What? A square. A square means cos square theta minus what? AB. AB means sin theta into cos theta plus what? B square. B square means sin square theta plus this we can write in form of this. That means what? A square. A square means what? Cos square theta plus AB means what? Sin theta into cos theta plus B means sin square theta. Okay. So now, so 1 minus sin theta cos theta plus 1 plus sin theta cos theta. Okay. Why it is 1? Because it is cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1 minus it is left. Okay. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta means what? 1 plus this is left. So this and this minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1 means 2, which is equal to the right hand side. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Now move us to the next sum. So now let us move to the next sum. It is 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta. We have to prove. Okay. So it is very easy. So left hand side, what is there? 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta whole divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So what we can write? 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta means what? 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Then what we can write? 1 plus cos theta minus 1 plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this will be cancelled. So now let cos theta take common from numerator. So it is what? 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this and this will be cancelled. So cos by sin means what? Cot theta is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? Okay. Cot theta is equal to right hand side. Proved. So students, very easy sum. So here only this tricks. Okay. Sin square theta is equal to what you can write? 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 plus cos theta as it is, then minus 1, it will be plus, sin it will change. Okay, cos square theta. So this will be cancelled. So cos theta plus cos square theta. So cos common. So cos theta common, that means 1 plus cos theta. And in the denominator, sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this will be cancelled. So cos theta by sin theta means what? Cos theta, which is equal to the right hand side. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the next sum. Now let us move to the next sum. Cosec A plus cot A by cosec A minus cot A is equal to this is equal to this. Clear? So let us move. What is given? Cosec A plus cot A divided by cosec A minus cot A. This type of one sum we have done. Okay, so we have to multiply because both the thing is same, only here plus it is minus. Okay, so we have to multiply with the opposite sign. That means what? Cosec A plus cot A whole square divided by cosec A square minus or cot square A. Okay, how? Cosec A plus cot A into cosec A plus cot A divided by cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. So cosec A plus cot A whole square divided by A plus B into A minus B means cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, so cosec square theta minus cot square theta means 1. So that means what? Cosec A plus cot A whole square. This cosec square theta minus cot square theta means what? Or cosec square A minus cot square A means what? 1. Clear? So that's why it is 1. So this is coming. Okay. Now again. Again, what you can write? Cosec A plus cot A whole square is equal to what? A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2 A B. Okay, so cosec means see, this has come. Only this part we have to prove. Clear from here? So no cosec is there. So what do we know the formula? Cosec square A minus what is the formula? Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Clear? So now instead of cosec, what we are writing? 1 plus cot square A plus cot square A plus 2 cosec A into cot A. So that means what? 1 plus 2 cot square A plus 2 cosec A into cot A. See? So this equal to this. Okay, proved is equal to this. That is what? This all are coming. Clear? So this is our sum. So only the trick is that we have to multiply both numerator denominator by cosec A plus cot A. Clear? So it will be cosec A plus cot A into cosec A plus cot A means cosec A plus cot A whole square. Okay, cosec A plus minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A means cosec square A minus cot square A. So now cosec square A minus cot square A means 1. So what is there? Cosec A plus cot A whole square. That this part we proved. From here we have to prove here. Okay, so again cosec A plus cot A whole square, that is what? Formula A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So cosec A means what? 1 plus cot square A plus cot square A plus 2 to cosec A cot A. So 1 plus cot square means 2 cot square A plus cosec A 2 cosec A into cot A. So students, hope you have understood this sum. Now let us move to the next sum. So students, now moving to the next sum, we have to prove what? 1 plus cos theta by plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta whole divided by cos theta. Okay, so now left hand side, what is that? 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so now dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what you can write? 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to what you can write? Sec theta plus 1 plus tan theta divided by sec theta plus 1 minus tan theta. So what we can write? Sec theta plus tan theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. Okay, so now see what you can write? Sec theta plus tan theta and 1 means plus 1 means what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta means what? 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. So what you can write? Sec theta plus tan theta into a square minus b square. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta whole divided by sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. I am doing here. Okay, so now from this what we can write? Sec theta plus tan theta common. Sec theta plus tan theta common. Then what is there? 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta whole divided by what? Sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. These two will be same, so it is what? Sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. So what? Cos theta will be the LCM. So 1 plus sin theta is equal to RHS. Proved. Okay. So see, very important sum. Clear? Little bit tricky. You have to you have to know how we will approach and how to solve the sum. Clear? I am explaining it. So left hand side it is given 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. So now here what is given? I am writing this. What is given? Clear? As on left hand side. Now the thing is that dividing both the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So that means what? 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta divided by what? 1 by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta means what? Sec theta plus cos theta by cos theta means what? This will be cancelled. That means what? 1. Okay, and sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan theta. Clear? And 1 by cos theta means sec theta. This will be cancelled. That means plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Clear? Is equal to what? What we can write? Sec theta plus tan theta together plus 1 here and here sec theta minus tan theta together. Okay, plus 1 like this. So sec theta plus tan theta we are writing as it is, and 1 means what you can write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. That also, these steps also you have to remember. Clear? Whole divided by what? Sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. So it is a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b divided by what is there? I am writing this. Now here from the next line here. Okay, what is that? Sec theta plus tan theta common. So sec theta plus tan theta common. So 1 plus what? 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta. So this and this will be cancelled. So sec theta plus tan theta. So what is sec theta? 1 by cos theta plus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta will be the LCM 1 plus sin theta. That we have to prove. Okay, as right hand side. So students, Hope you can pause the video, you can copy the sum, clear, and you have to practice it as much as possible. So hope you have understood this. Okay, so now let us move to next sum. Students, now moving forward to the next sum, clear. Now it is almost similar type of sum as we have solved before. Okay, so for your practice I am doing similar type of sums again, clear, left hand side. So we have to multiply, we have to divide both dividing both numerator and denominator by cos theta, clear. So I am writing together. So sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan theta. Tan theta plus 1 by cos theta means what? Sec theta. Minus cos theta by cos theta means 1. Whole divided by cos theta by cos theta means 1 minus 1 by cos theta means what? Sec theta plus sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Clear? Is equal to what you can write? Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 means sec square theta minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. Now what we can write? Tan theta plus sec theta minus a plus b into a minus b इसका मैं इसका फॉर्मूला होल डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta will be common. So sec theta plus tan theta will be common. So it is 1 minus what? Sec theta plus tan theta. Sign will be changed. Here it is what? 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. So this and this will be cancelled. So it is what? Sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta means 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Now what? Cos theta will be the LCM. So it will be 1 plus sin theta is equal to right hand side proved. Clear? So similar type of sums. Okay, it is what? Sin theta plus cos 1 minus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta. So we have to divide both the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan theta. Clear? Plus 1 by cos theta means what? Sec theta. Minus cos theta by cos theta means what? 1. Clear? Now cos theta by cos theta means 1. Clear? Minus 1 by cos theta means sec theta. Okay? Plus sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. Clear up to this? Now next. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 means what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta means 1. Clear? And whatever is denominator, we are writing like that only. Now here sec theta plus sin theta minus it is what? A square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. Okay? Whatever is there, I am writing here only. Clear? Now from this what? This tan theta plus sec theta is common. Tan theta plus sec theta is common. That means 1 minus. Okay, sec theta as it is minus, so it will be plus tan theta. Clear? So this and this are same, so this will be cancelled. Okay? So sec theta plus tan theta. Okay? Sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta plus tan theta means what? Sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta will be LCM, so 1 plus sin theta. And that we have to prove only. Okay? So hope you have understood this sum. Now let us move to the next sum. Now moving forward to the next sum. Okay, it is cos a cosec a minus sin a sec a divided by cos theta or it is theta. So cos theta so cosec theta minus sin theta sec theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to this. Okay, cosec theta minus sec theta. What is a or theta or phi or b, that doesn't matter. Clear? Now you have to understand how to do this sum. Okay, so now it is what? Cos theta. So left hand side. Okay, cos theta and cosec means what? Sin. That means what? 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Sec means what? 1 by cos. That means cos theta. Clear? Divide by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. So Sin theta cos theta LCM. Sin theta into cos theta will be the LCM. So it is what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. So what we can write? Cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. So what is we can write? Cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta. So this and this will be cancelled. Okay. So what is that? Cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now how we can write? Cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Clear? So this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. So therefore 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cos theta. So 1 by sin theta means what? Cosec theta minus sec theta is equal to RHS. Okay, proved. So students, let me explain this once again. What we are doing here? Cosec theta means what? 1 by sin, so cos theta by sin theta minus sin theta into sec theta means 1 by cos, that means sin theta by cos theta. And what is there? So cos theta plus sin theta as it is. Okay, I am writing this. Now here sin theta cos theta LCM, so it will be cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. So cos square theta and sin square theta divided by what? Sin theta into cos theta. This will come here as denominator into cos theta plus sin theta. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. If it is plus, then the value should have been 1. Okay, but here as it is minus, so we have to write the formula a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So this and this will be cancelled. Okay, so cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta cos theta. So now we are this divided by this minus this divided by this, we can write. So cos theta by sin theta cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta cos theta. So cos theta will be cancelled, sin theta will be cancelled. So 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cos theta. So 1 by sin means what? Cosec theta minus 1 by cos means what? Sec theta. That we have to prove at the right hand side. Okay. So hope you have understood this. So if you can pause the video to copy the sum and you have to practice it after okay, practice it without watching this. Clear? If you don't practice, then it is not beneficial for you. So you have to practice the sum. Clear? So now hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the next sum. So students, now moving forward to the next sum. It is given 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta is equal to this. Clear? Left hand side. Okay, so left hand side, this we have to prove this as right hand side. So let us start. Okay, so 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, so 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, tan theta means, plus cos theta by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So what we can write here? Sin theta cos theta will be the LCM. So sin theta into cos theta will be the LCM. So now it is sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta into what? Sin theta minus cos theta. Clear? So see, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, I am writing for your understanding. Okay, so sin theta minus cos theta. Clear? Into sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. So see, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that means what? A cube minus b cube formula. Clear? So it will be factorization formula sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Don't write here 1, otherwise you cannot do the sum. Clear? Sin square theta cos square theta you can also write 1, but if you write like that, then it will be a problem. Okay, now what we can write? Sin cube theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus cos cube theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So this and this will be cancelled, and this will be there like this. Okay, so it will be what? Sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. So sin means what? Reciprocal of cosec. So it will be 1 by cosec square theta, and cos means what? Sec into sec theta minus cosec cos means what? 1 by sec square theta. Okay, into sin theta means what? Cosec. 1 by sin means what? Cosec theta. So see, it is coming. So sec theta divided by cosec square theta minus cosec theta divided by sec square theta is equal to RHS. Proved. Clear? So students, a little bit tricky. Okay, so but if you practice this sum, you can easily do it in the examination. It's not too much hard. So now, what is left hand side? See, this is left hand side given. Clear? So we are only simplify the tan means sin by cos, and cot means cos by sin. Clear? Then we are doing the LCM of this portion, sin theta into cos theta. So it is coming sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Don't write here 1. Okay, and here into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, clear? Now here what will be there? Sin theta cos theta into what? Sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Now a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Factorization formula a cube minus b cube. Okay, so a cube minus b cube. Factorization formula. Clear? So this divided by this minus this divided by this. We can write. Okay, so it is coming sin square by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. Clear? So sin square theta means what? 1 by cos square theta. Okay, 1 by cos square theta, and 1 by cos means what? Sec theta, and cos square theta means what? 1 by sec square theta, and sin theta means what? Cosec theta. 1 by sin theta means cosec theta. So ultimately what is coming? Sec theta by cos square theta minus cosec theta by sec square theta. So that we have to prove as right hand side. So that is proved. Clear? So if you can pause the video and you can copy the sum. It's very easy, a little bit tricky, but if you practice, it's very easy for you to do it in the examination hall. So students, hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the last sum of today's episode. Clear? So let us move to the next sum. Students, now let us move to the last sum of today's episode. Okay, so this we have to prove as 0. So now what we can write? Now let us do the LCM. 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sec theta. Okay, so it will be what? Cos square theta into sec theta minus 1 into 1 plus sec theta plus what you can write? Sec square theta into sin theta minus 1 into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, LCM. Now 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sec theta. Now see, a plus b into a minus b, so cos square theta into sec square theta minus 1 plus it is sec square theta into a minus b into a plus b, that means sin square theta minus 1. Okay. So now cot square theta into sec square theta minus 1 means what? What do we know? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So here we can write tan square theta. Clear? Plus. Okay. Here it is what? Sec square theta into what we know? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, sin square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Minus cos square theta. So, what we can write? Minus cos square theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sec theta. So, what we can write now? Cot into tan means what? 1 square minus plus minus sec square theta into cos square theta means also 1 square. Okay, divide by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sec theta. Clear? So this will be what? Cancelled. So 0 divided by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sec theta. So 0 by something means what? 0 is equal to RHS proved, and you can write it LHS. Okay, left hand side. Clear? So very easy sum. So here sin theta 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sec theta will be the LCM. So this will be cancelled. So this into 1 plus sec theta plus this into 1 plus sin theta. Clear? So cos square theta as it is. So sec theta minus 1 to sec theta plus 1 means a square minus b square sec square theta minus 1 plus sec square theta as it is a plus b into a minus b. That means sin square theta minus 1. Clear? So now here sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta plus what? Sec square theta into sin square theta minus 1 means minus cos square theta. Clear? So cot into tan means what? 1. So 1 square means 1. Okay. Minus why minus? Because this is minus cos square theta. So plus minus it will be minus. So sec into cos means 1. Okay. They are those are reciprocal to each other. That means 1 square. Clear? Divide by whatever the numerator denominator is, we are writing like that. So this will be cancelled. So 0 divided by something means 0. So which is equal to the right hand side. So student, hope you have understood this sum. Clear? You can pause the video and you can copy the sum. Okay. So now this was the last sum for today's episode. So hope you have understood this. So now we will solve more sums. Height and distance also will start in my next episode. So hope you understand this all the sums which you have done over here. Clear? So practice this, because if you don't practice then it will not be beneficial for you. So you have to practice it without watching the video. Clear? First you understand how to solve the sum, then practice it as many times as possible for you, so that if this type of sums comes in the examination, obviously this type of sums will come in the examination. That I am giving you the guarantee. Okay. So I am selecting the sums which are most important for the examination also. Okay. So practice this and wait for the next episode which I will upload very soon. Thank you for watching.